This is just a quick video on the update of the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market. Yesterday, 30th of January 2024, the market lost marginally. The market lost 1.49%. And minding that we are currently at a psychological level of 100,000 basis points, and this is the first time that the market is getting to this milestone, we expect that traders will start selling off, and this might be a potential turning point for the market. Even though looking at the chart, this is more like a piercing line. The market, the yesterday's candle did not really engulf the previous day. So I'm currently looking at the daily chart now. You see that the momentum is so strong. The market is moving with a strong momentum. Look at the momentum indicator is showing that it's still the momentum in the market is still strong. Looking at it critically, you can see that it almost cover like 80% of the body of the previous day. So 5 things to consider before confirming a trend change. One, we need to be mindful of the trend. One, the trend is still intact, and the momentum is still intact. Support and resistance. The market is currently at a resistance. It's a psychological level, which is a resistance. Then we look at the volatility. The market is very, 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 very volatile at this point. So putting all these things together, need like 2 or 3 days to confirm if this is actually a reversal signal. But there is no break of structure, there is no change of character, and there is nothing of such. So this is just it's just a warning sign. It's not really a reversal signal. Thank you.